Today I'm making a delicious chicken roulade. Here's what I've got for this recipe: chicken breast, streaky bacon for wrapping, dried cranberry, Brie cheese, Silverbeet, pumpkin for the pumpkin puree, onion and garlic, of course salt and pepper. Let's start with the filling. I'm mixing together diced Brie cheese, chopped cranberry and finely chopped Silverbeet. Add salt and pepper for seasoning. Mix well. Let's prepare the chicken. I'm slicing into a butterfly shape. That means cutting it open evenly so it can be rolled later. Now, get a piece of clean wrap on your board. Lay out the streaky bacon first. You can also use prosciutto or any other cured meat you like. Place the chicken breast on top, then spread the filling in the middle. Gently roll the chicken breast, then wrap it with the bacon as tightly as you can. Roll it again in the green wrap, twist both ends and tie them securely. Meanwhile, bring a pot of water to a boil. Once boiling, add the wrapped roulade and cook it for about 15 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast. After boiling, remove the green wrap, pat it dry and get your pan hot with a little bit of oil. Sear the roulade until it's crispy and golden brown all around. for the pumpkin puree. I made a quick, smooth puree to go with the roulade. For plating, spread the pumpkin puree in the center, slice the roulade nicely, and serve. I even used a few leftovers to make a simple salad garnish. And that's it, my chicken roulade dish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this.